Hi everyone, my name is Boris, and you know what's going on this channel. So, what I want to tell you about my day today, uh, it was interesting moment about our drone hobby with my friend, and it's a good moment, good news from my friend. He uh, he has at this moment all complete with our drone, and train he trained he trained his flights last 2 or 3 days, and so we have some success with this. He have good pretty good uh, skills on flying with goggles, and yes, it's not so fast and it's not so like race drones uh, as this target. It's doing some races with drones. No, for this target it's so far for us, but I have some progress in for my friend with flight, with control drone, with fly up and landing, and he growth his skills, and it's perfect. I'm excited to see this, and we are jokes about this. For example, or maybe I have to stay off this drone only for my friend and buy new complete for only me, because it's a little difficult um, to have some calendar when he will be training and when which days I will be training, and it's a little tough for us to understand this, and also it's will be a little sad when I will have drone. For example, next week I take this complete, and next week I will be have drone and opportunity to train, but I will not to train because it will be, oh, it's sorry, it's my cats, because I will be busy on my work and in my garage and something else, and it will be a little sad for my friend, yes, because he lost opportunity to train. He gave me this complete for training, and I will not train. So yes, it's a little tough for us, and we will see. Maybe really on this winter we will buy second complete for drones racing. But for this moment, it's pretty interesting, and it's such a good hobby for for on season for motorcycles for me, because we have half of the year when we haven't opportunity to drive motorcycles, trainings on motorcycles, because half of the year in our city it's winter, and it's such windy, wet, a little cold on the autumn and spring, and it's not a good weather for motorcycle season. And really, we have only 5 months for pretty good drive motorcycle or motorcycles on the season. So for winter, it's a good change for our hobbies, because it's also speed, it's also control, really high level of control with your arms, because it's so fast, and so uh, not easy for your flying when you have something fast action in sticks. It's can be really fatal error for you when you fly, and you have to learn it, you have to train it, and so we have enough time on the winter for this. So it's a good news, and I'm excited to see success with drone uh, from my friend, and also on next week I will try also to fly more. So it's all news for today. We have bad weather on this weekend, it's so upset, and really summer is end for us in Astana. It's unfortunately, but yes, it's our reality. uh, so we will live continued. Thank you for watching today, see you tomorrow, and bye.